dog.
So what brings you here today?
Dog, I've gotten really tired after all my races and I don't know why. So, dog, do you know why this happens to me?
Well,
When you run in a race, all of your body systems work together to get you to the finish line. At the start of the race. To begin running, the two divisions of the peripheral nervous system, the somatic and the autonomic nervous system, fire signals to the body. The somatic nervous system sends its signals to the voluntary muscles to get the legs moving and to push the body forward. Meanwhile, the autonomic nervous system controls the involuntary muscle, such as the heart muscle. As they begin running, the heart rate and respiratory rate increase in order to continue to provide oxygen to the muscles for energy to be created. Sweating causes the kidneys to work harder, since the kidneys are responsible for maintaining electrolytes and acid-base balance. Also, while running, blood flow to the legs will increase, while the blood flow to the digestive system will decrease. This decreases the nutrient and oxygen flow to the intestines and other secondary digestive organs. 1 minute into the race. After 1 minute of sprinting, the body has used up the ATP that it had stored in the muscles. Now the body must resort to another source of energy. Anaerobic respiration is the fastest way to create more ATP since it does not require oxygen. A byproduct of anaerobic respiration is lactic acid, which causes the muscles to feel like they are burning. Now, the heart rate and the cardiac output, which is the volume of blood being pumped by the heart, has increased significantly. The respiratory rate has also increased because oxygen is needed to oxygenate the blood and deliver oxygen to the muscles that are actively burning calories. Heart rate and respiratory rate are mandated by signals sent by the sympathetic nervous system. Halfway through the race. The muscle contractions from running lead to their temperature rising. To combat this, the sweat glands release water, which cool the body through evaporation. The pituitary gland in the brain stimulates the sweat glands in the skin. At this point in the race, they feel a bit more comfortable because they are drawing their energy from the glucose in their blood by creating ATP through glycolysis. The end of the race. It is common to experience dizziness when you stop moving because of the sudden drop in blood pressure. Even though they have stopped moving, the heart and respiratory rate remain high because the increased heart rate is needed to prevent buildup of carbon dioxide and restore the necessary oxygen that was depleted during the race. And even though he was thirsty, he only sipped a little water because drinking water too fast after heavy exercise can cause your sodium levels to drop too fast. This is a condition called hypotremia, and it can be fatal. Now, the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for conserving energy, will decrease blood pressure and heart rate, resume digestion and saliva production, and increase urine production. His muscles will still be sore because of the lactic acid produced in the anaerobic respiration.